How to fix username or password error while using SwitchVPN. Here's how to fix so-called unable to login. Invalid username and password issue while logging into SwitchVPN app. If you are getting username or password error, please make sure your subscription is active. To check your subscription status, please log into your customer portal at https://manage.switchvpn.net. Once you are logged in, can check your subscription status and your VPN username and password as well. Kindly recheck the VPN username and password from your subscription page and re-enter them manually in the VPN application. If your subscription is expired, you can order new subscription from your customer portal and it will be instantly activated. Note, your customer portal login credentials and VPN credentials are not same. If you are unable to check status of your subscription, you can also contact SwitchVPN support team.